Everyone talks about Shopify, but most beginners misunderstand what it actually does. In this video, I'll explain what Shopify is, how it works, and who should really use it. We'll dive deep into the platform's core features, its operational mechanics, and the specific business needs it addresses. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Shopify is the right engine for your e-commerce journey. Let us start by clearing up the most common myths and setting the stage for a successful online store. Understanding the foundation is key to leveraging the tool effectively. Shopify is an e-commerce platform. It allows individuals and businesses to create an online store without coding or technical setup. Think of Shopify as the engine behind the store, not the business itself. It provides the infrastructure, from hosting to security, so you can focus on your products and customers. This means you don't need to worry about servers or complex software installations. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to launch your brand quickly and efficiently. Whether you're selling handmade crafts or scaling a global brand, the platform scales with you. It's a comprehensive solution for modern digital commerce. First, you create a Shopify account. Then you choose a theme, add your products, set prices, and connect payment methods. When a customer buys, Shopify processes the payment, tracks the order, and notifies you automatically. This seamless workflow is what makes it so powerful for entrepreneurs. You can manage your entire inventory from a single dashboard. The platform also offers various apps to extend your store's functionality. From marketing tools to shipping integrations, everything is at your fingertips. It simplifies the complex backend of running a retail business. This automation allows you to spend more time on growth and strategy. Shopify does not bring customers for you. It does not guarantee sales. It does not build a business automatically. These are the most common beginner misunderstandings. You're still responsible for marketing, SEO, and driving traffic to your site. The platform is a vehicle, but you're the driver. Success requires a solid business plan and consistent effort. Many people think that just launching a store is enough, but that's just the beginning. You need to engage with your audience and build brand loyalty. Shopify provides the tools, but the execution is entirely up to you. It's important to have realistic expectations from day one. Shopify is ideal for beginners, small businesses, and people who want a simple and stable platform. It may not be ideal for those who need deep backend customization. If you want a set it and forget it type of technical environment, this is for you. It offers reliability and security that is hard to match with self-hosted solutions. For those who prioritize ease of use over total control of the source code, it's a perfect fit. It's also great for businesses that want to start small and grow without technical headaches. The ecosystem of themes and apps provides plenty of flexibility for most users. It's about finding the right balance between convenience and customization. Shopify is a tool. How successful you become depends on how you use it. It's about the strategy you implement and the value you provide to your customers. Use the data and analytics provided by the platform to make informed decisions. Experiment with different marketing channels and optimize your store for conversions. Remember that e-commerce is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, keep learning, and adapt to the changing market. With the right mindset and the right tool, the possibilities are endless. Your journey starts with a single step, and Shopify is here to support that growth. Make the most of every feature available to you.